Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello. Welcome. If we haven't had the chance to meet yet, my name is Brittany, and I'm so glad y'all are here today. So first things first, I need to talk about this. It's watermelon soda, and it is the best thing that I have ever tasted. It fits in this wine glass. Oh my God. And it is literally incredible. It is life-changing. It tastes like Sour Patch watermelon in a drink. Anyways, I'm pretty sure we've all seen it before. We're scrolling on Pinterest, on social media, and there's an article that pops up and it says 50 things all 20-year-olds can do to earn an extra $1,000 a month. And you click on it and you scroll and you scroll. And it's just app after app of take pictures of your receipts and download this app and buy these specific items to get the like $20 cash back. I'm talking about you, Ibotta. I bought it. I did it. What? Like, it was not beneficial for me. I was buying things that I did not need just to get $1 cash back. Like, I'm sorry. This is not a scheme. This is not a joke. This is real. In my inbox, I have 2 gift cards sitting in there from this market research company. So in this video, we're going to be talking about focus groups and how to get paid for your opinion. For the past year, I've been enrolled in an online database with a market research company. So a market research company is someone who does research for companies. So other companies, for example, Nike or Coke, will pay this market research group to get the people in the database to give their opinions on products. So I got paid over $100 for 2 different studies, and then in the past month I've done 4 different studies that have paid around $30 to $50 per study. In order to first get enrolled in that database, you need to Google market research companies in the area that you are in. Atlanta obviously has a bunch of them, and the one that I am enrolled in is called Jackson Associates. This isn't sponsored or anything. Like, I'm literally just trying to help y'all get some cash. What they do is you do a survey. You say that I'm a female, I'm white, and then it puts you in a database. And whenever you line up with studies that they may think that you want to participate in, then you get a survey in your inbox. And then only after you complete that survey, after you meet the big companies' qualifications, then you will be a part of the study. Check your surveys, because if you're not logging in to take those qualifying surveys, then you're not going to be selected for studies. For example, I may get a study about socks, and I don't wear the type of socks that they want to be a part of the study, then I wouldn't get picked to be a participant in that study. So there are many surveys that I've done that I haven't gotten anything for, and the surveys are super quick. It's like 5 minutes. It's nothing of your time. For example, I recently did one about soda, and I tasted a type of diet soda, and I took a survey on it, and I got paid $40 to do that. I don't know, it's just fun, you know? Like, I feel important when I give my opinion on a famous diet drink, that when the new diet drink comes out, I can be like, that was me. I did that. My opinion. It was too carbonated before. So, like I said, thank you for tuning in. I'm so glad you watched it, and I can't wait to see you next week. Have a great day.